Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Want to translate messages in WhatsApp without switching apps? If you have an iPhone, Gboard makes it super easy. In this video I'll show you how to translate any message directly using Google Keyboard. Let's get started. First you need to install and set up Gboard. Open the App Store and search for Gboard and tap download. When app finish installing, go to settings, general, scroll down, find keyboard and tap keyboards. Choose Gboard and switch turn on. Tap allow, then go to WhatsApp, open chats. Tap the text input field. Switch the Gboard by long press the global icon on your keyboard. Tap the Google Translate icon in the toolbar. Choose the language you want to translate from and to. Start typing your message. And tap translate. Tap send and the translate messages will be delivered instantly. How translate received messages? Copy the WhatsApp message you received, open the text input field and paste it into Gboard's translate feature. The message will be translated immediately, no need to leave WhatsApp. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.